Hello, today is Thursday, January 31st, and I'm doing an update. Actually, I probably wouldn't be doing an update if I didn't feel so bad today. But I went to the doctor's yesterday to see the new neurologist that I was referred to, and I wasn't very happy with him. It was a 2-hour wait to see him in an office with the worst stench. Um, Minimum seats. I've never been to an office where it's not enough seating for your patients. You have a checklist, you know how many patients you see per day on a regular basis. You should have enough seats, especially when you're a neurologist and you're working with patients that are in a great deal of pain. I see so many patients, one, using canes, two, using neck brace, one lady, look like she just had back surgery and not enough seating for your patient. And then had this huge, this horrible, horrible stench, which I know who it was because he looked like he didn't have a bath in 10 years. But, you know, to put a patient that had to and wait to see the doctor for 2 hours in the room where the guy had just left with the stench, even the office manager, which they don't even have a nurse to call you and put you in the rooms. The office manager actually called my name and put me in the patient room, even told me the room smelled. They sprayed the entire office and the room they put me in with some kind of spray. They just made it worse and said, sorry, we tried to wait a little bit to see if there's another room available, but there wasn't, so we sprayed this room and asked me if it was okay, you know, and I'm not going to say, no, it's not okay and have to sit out in the waiting room a little longer. I already had waited 2 hours. So it was just, the whole thing was unprofessional. And then the doctor comes in, he walks out, and then he says, he comes back in, he says, how are you? Shakes my hand, he says, 1 minute, walks out. I wait another 20 minutes. He comes in, he looks at the chart and looks at me, says my name, and then walks back out. And I'm like, this is really getting on my freaking nerves. It's already been 2 hour wait. Now I'm in the room waiting. Then he comes in and walks out twice. So then the third time he comes in, he looks at my chart again. He pulls out of his pocket a recorder and he starts recording in the middle of talking to me. And normally doctors examine you and then they wait and then they go and they record. They narrate their narrative reports. So anyhow, I know about narrative reports because I used to work as a paralegal. But anyhow, so he examines me, and when he's done, he says, "Well, you have chronic nerve damage, which you already knew, amongst the fibromyalgia, vertigo, and multiple sclerosis." And I never mentioned I have vertigo. I always forget part of my fibromyalgia, but I remember now because that was one of the reasons also that my primary care physician sent me to him to lower my dosage of Valium for the vertigo. So anyhow, so it didn't go well because the doctor, the neurologist, said he doesn't believe in prescribing pain medication. So not even a muscle relaxant. So here I am today in a great deal of pain. It's extremely windy here in New York. We have severe weather warning. I think it's until 6 o'clock, which is 6 o'clock now, and it's starting to snow. So I don't know. I'm just in a great deal of pain. I'm going in on Monday to get my B12 shot. Um, since the B12 drops aren't working. I'm very fatigued, very tired, and I don't eat. I've gained weight. I'm just so aggravated. I'm on thyroid medication, gaining weight. Don't understand. I don't eat. I go days sometimes without eating because I don't have an appetite. It's just one of those days where I'm just completely aggravated, completely uncomfortable, in a great deal of pain, no results with these damn doctors. It's like I was sat when I was in Texas, finally found doctors after months of waiting for doctors. Come back to New York, and where all my medical records are, and it's just like I've been here a year, and you would think these damn doctors would get it together. I'm getting really frustrated looking at my video and my fat ass face. So anyhow, actually, the more I look at my video, the more angry I get with the freaking weight that I've gained after I worked so hard to lose weight and manage my weight. And now I'm looking at myself and I look like I've gained 3 times my weight. You know, I'm just really frustrated. I'm beyond unhappy right now. And I'm just gonna stop doing the video because the more I'm looking at my face and the weight gain that I didn't notice in a video I just did a couple of days ago. So it's got me either feeling like I'm bloated or I don't know what the hell's going on. But sorry, I have my granddaughter here. Her birthday was 2 days ago, so I have her here with me. She's gonna have her second birthday party Saturday, and she's not feeling well either. So in any event, I thank you guys for following me and watching me. Follow me on Twitter, same name as it is here on YouTube on my channel. So I thank you for following me on Twitter and follow me here on YouTube and follow my videos, and I appreciate your comments. And I'm truly sorry that I can't go through with this video today. But and just as I said, I'm in just too much pain. And the more I look at this video, the more frustrated I get. So I wish you well. Thanks for watching, and God bless.